Although you've encountered many contact forms, most of them simply sit there and don't function. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a fully functional contact form without a backend, using only the front end with React.js. This is the contact form we'll build with a professional user interface. On the left side, we have contact information text, and on the right side, we have the form. In this form, we'll enter the full name. I'll enter Utrecht of Bebenberg, and for company, I'll enter Carnival Film and Television, and for email, I'll enter utrecht@gmail.com. For the phone number, you can enter anything you prefer, and for address, I'll enter Northumberland, England. You can type anything you want in the message field. Then we'll click the Send Message button, and it will begin loading. After that, we'll receive a confirmation that says, Message sent successfully. Then we'll open our Gmail, and you can see we've received an email. All the data we entered in the form has been delivered. As you can see, in this video, we'll build this using Email.js. We'll leverage the power of Email.js to create this, so let's begin building this project right away. Open VS Code, then open a new terminal and execute the first command npm create vite at latest in the new terminal and press enter. After entering, provide your project a name using the same name as your folder. After this, select React as the framework and select JavaScript as the variant. Then select No, then select Yes, because we want to start npm installation and start immediately, and this will take a few seconds. After a few seconds, copy this URL localhost 5173 and open it in your browser. Next, in VS Code, you need to open the src folder, where you'll delete app.css. Then open app.jsx and remove the countercode that's present. Next, you need to create a folder inside src, which we'll name Components. Inside the Components folder, the first file we'll create is contactcontainer.jsx. After this, we have contactinfo.jsx, then we have contactform.jsx, and finally, loader.jsx. After creating these 4 files, navigate to Contact Info. Here we'll create a Contact Info arrow function, and for now, we'll return just a div, and then we'll also export this Contact Info. After this, we'll navigate to contactform.jsx. Inside Contact Form, we'll first create a Contact Form arrow function, which will simply return a div, and we'll also export this contact form. Next, inside Contact Container, we'll import both these components, and we'll create an arrow function contact container, which will return a section, and inside the section, we'll render 2 components, contact info and contact form, and then we'll export it below. After this, we'll go to Contact Info, where our first task is to add an h1 tag inside the div. We'll write the text, Contact Us, in the h1 tag. Then, we'll add a p tag and include some text in the p tag. Then below the p tag, we'll add a second p tag, where we'll include an email address, a sample email, and visit the React Icons website, where you'll find these icons. Then scroll down to the bottom and copy this command npm install react icons -save. Open a new terminal in VS Code and execute the same command you copied. This has been installed. After this, you need to search for mail, so search for mail and copy it and import it at the top of your contact info. After this, copy call and also import it inside the contact info file. After this, we'll add emdmail inside this p tag, and then below the p tag, add a second p tag where the support text will appear, which will be a number, and here also render the call icon. Next, we'll go to app.jsx and render our contact container there. Then, we'll go inside Contact Form, where we'll remove the div we had written and replace it with a form element. Inside the form, we'll have an h1 tag where we'll add some descriptive text. After this, we'll visit index.css, where we'll remove the default styling that's present. Later, we'll go to contactform.jsx, where we'll create a div, and inside the div, we'll create a second div. Inside this div, we'll have a label, and in the first label, we'll have the text full name. Below this, we'll have input type text, and name will equal name, and that will also be required. Then we'll simply duplicate this div and replace full name with company name, and the name which equals name, we'll change that to company. Then we'll duplicate this div again. We'll duplicate this parent div, which contains company and full name, and we'll replace full name with email, and in type, we'll have email, and name will also be email, and then we'll add a placeholder where we'll write a sample email. After this, we'll also replace company with phone number. In type, we'll have tel, and we'll change company in the name to PH number, and in the placeholder, we'll add some sample number. After skipping 2 divs, we'll create another div. Inside this div, in the label, we'll have address, and below it, an input type text with the name address, and this will also be required. Then, after skipping 1 div, we'll create another div. Inside its label, we'll have your message text, and below, we won't use input, but instead, we'll use a text area. In the text area's name, we'll write message. This will also be required, and in the placeholder, we'll write type your message. After this, we'll add a button whose type will be submit. And in this button, the simple text send message will appear. So our basic form is ready, as you can see. Next, we'll scroll up and inside the contact form, we'll write our first state, which is form data. Inside the use state, we'll create an object. Inside the object, we'll have name, company, email, phone number, address, and message. These 6 data fields will come in object form, and initially, these will be empty strings. Below this, we'll create another state, loading, set loading, which by default will be false. Then our third state will be success, set success, and will equal use state, which by default will also be false. Error will also come, set error, which in use state will by default be false for us. After this, we'll simply create a function handle change, take event as a parameter, and inside this, we'll destructure name and value, which will equal event.target. And in set form data, we'll take prev, it'll be an arrow function, and we'll spread prev inside the object, and after that, we'll take name in brackets and then the value. After this, we'll create another function handle submit, take event as a parameter, and we'll also write event.preventDefault inside it. Then, we'll set loading to true, set error to false, and set success also to false. Below this, we'll create a template params object which will spread the form data, and in this, we'll have time, new date to ISO string. After this, visit the email.js website, and if you haven't created an account, click the Create New Account button. I've already created an account, so I'll sign in with my email and password. And after this is the dashboard. So first we're on the email service page, so we'll click the Add New Service button. After this, we'll click on Gmail. After clicking Gmail, we have this service ID. Copy it and click Create Account and connect your account. Your Gmail account is connected. Then, we'll click the Create Service button. And after this, copy its ID as well, copy the service ID. Then click on Email Templates, and after clicking Email Templates, click the Create New Template button. After this, simply click the Create Template button again. Our email template is also created, as you can see. Then, we'll click on Account. In account, there's this public key. Copy it as well. Go to VS Code and open a new terminal and execute this command. After executing this command, it's installed for us. Then import this, email.js, and then email.js.send, and copy your email service ID and pass it in string form. And save it here in string form. Then go to account, and there will be the public key. Copy it as well. Then we'll also write template params, and below it, in string form, we'll also write the public key in string form. And then we'll add .then, take an arrow function, set loading to false, set success to true, and we'll take set form data in an object, and inside the object, we'll have name, company, email, phone number, address, message, so that our form resets after success. And if our code doesn't succeed, then we'll add .catch, an arrow function for error, and inside it, we'll console log emails error. And after this, we'll set loading to false and set error to true. After this, we'll have handle submit on submit in the form, which means the handle submit function will execute. Then the value in the input will equal form data.name, and the handle change function will execute on change. Similarly, in company, the value will equal form data.company, and the handle change function will execute on change. And in the same way, in the input for email, we'll have value equals form data.email, and handle change will execute on change. This same logic will apply to everything. Phone number, address, and your message. After this, we'll use curly brackets. If it is successful, we'll add a p tag and include the text message sent successfully in it. Then inside curly brackets, we'll include error. If there is an error, we'll add a p tag and write, "Something went wrong. Try again" inside it. For our send message button, we'll write the text in quotes within curly brackets. If it is loading, then it should render the loader component. Otherwise, show the send message text. Then we go to loader.jsx, use the RFC shortcut, and return 2 divs. After that, we go to the contact form and import the loader component. Now visit the email.js website, where you'll see an Edit Content button. Click on it, and then click the Code Editor button. After clicking, we'll remove the default styling and paste the one we created. You don't need to write this. The code is on GitHub. Download it from there, and then click Apply Changes. After that, remove the title Contact Us and write name instead. Leave everything else as default and click the Save button to save it. Next, visit VS Code, open the terminal, and execute this command npm install tailwind css latest tailwind css vite. After this, tailwind css is installed. Now open the vite.config file and write tailwind css inside the plugins. After that, simply go to index.css. Import tailwind CSS. Take a body tag, give it a background color in RGB, set the color to white, and set the font family to sans serif. Next, go to the contact container, but before that, create a file inside src named contact.style.js. We have some default style classes in it. All this code is on GitHub, so download it and we'll copy and paste some styles. I won't explain them to avoid wasting time. Our styling is complete now. You can see it is both mobile responsive and desktop friendly. First, fill out the form. Enter the name in full name, then company, email, phone number, address, and you can type anything in the message. Click the Send Message button, and the message sent successfully will appear. Then, open your Gmail, and you'll see a message. Open it, and you can see all the data we entered in the form is there. If you enjoyed this video on building small projects and seeing how real-world applications and small apps work, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.